Yes. I have this stuff here. So, been with me a while. So I never have time to change this. But today we're gonna fix them. Alright, I already fixed one. See, I still need to change these three. 1, 2, 3. As you see here, it's cracked. Easy to crack this stuff. So to remove this, you move this white brick, if you can see, and push a little plastic in here and pull up the wire like that. I already did, so it's coming off. See, all of them right here. I don't need those wires. I just need this stuff here. Okay, so I do the same here, and all right, like this. It's going like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take a picture before, if in case if there's like different colors. In this case, I have no problem. It's like this before you take everything out. So you just transfer from the old one to new one like that. I need 2 hands actually. Alright, that's good. So 2 left. Just like that. I'm gonna put this back here like this. Maybe like that. Yep. That's it. It's done. It's done. There you go. So 2 left. Right, another one here is gone. All right, the last one. This one I'm not gonna change this one because this one is very good compared to aftermarket. All right, everything is good now. Still have an extra, maybe for a friend or someone who need it. Put this back.